For more on both the Kyle Rittenhouse as well as the Ahmaud Arbery trials, we welcome back ABC News contributor Channa Lloyd, an attorney with the Cochran firm. Thank you so much, as always, for joining us, Channa. The jurors in the Rittenhouse trial will start there. They asked for more copies of the instructions, which we know are lengthy. What else might we be hearing from these 12 individuals as deliberations continue?
Well, Linsey, the fact that they even asked for their own copies means that they're being very careful, thoughtful, and deliberate. They each want to be able to interpret things, possibly make notes about these jury instructions. So that tells us a little bit about this jury. It also means that what we may hear are more questions about what's in these instructions. We may hear questions for clarification, definitions, different things of that nature. And of course, juries are always unpredictable, so we may hear some other things along the way as well.
Do you read anything by the fact that the jurors decided they weren't going to continue deliberating tonight? It sounds like the judge gave them that option, that they could continue working. They wrapped it up. Does that mean that potentially that they're not close, and so it's like, we're going to still need another day tomorrow, might as well not burn the midnight oil tonight?
Typically, what you see when juries decide that they are not going to continue deliberating is that they are not close. It doesn't mean that they might not reach a decision tomorrow, but they recognize that they are far apart at this point, and so they've ended at a proper time today. Everyone's going to go home, and they're going to start fresh.
And switching gears now to the Arbery trial, what's the significance of the testimony that each of the 3 bullets could have been fatal?
I think that's significant because it shows that no matter how which shot it was initially, the first shot could have been a fatal shot, which would cause a number of things. Involuntary actions. He could not have continued to struggle. He would have been incapacitated a lot of times, or anything that happened thereafter was not by his own volition. So I think that that's really significant, that these shots, each one would have been a fatal shot.
We're now set to hear from the defense in that case. Each of these 3 men played a unique role in what happened that day. So is it really a tricky balance for these lawyers to protect their individual clients while still presenting a clear picture of what they all collectively say happened?
Absolutely. I think that there's going to be a balance that they have to strike, because the story overall for the jury and the defense needs to make sense. If they can't follow it and it's not cohesive amongst the 3 defendants, I think that you're going to lose a bit of the jury. So there is going to be a real fine line in making sure that they're protecting their individual clients' rights and their theory of the defense, and ensuring that it fits within this larger picture. Because other than Mr. Bryant, the other 2 were kind of acting more in concert and were speaking to each other. He was a little bit different. So I think we will see, and especially with Mr. Goff's history, I think we'll see a little variation when it comes to his theory of the case.
Channa Lloyd, thank you so much as always.
Thanks, Linsey.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.